Follow up on the question about replacing the fiberglass step. Here are photos. Scroll up just a little bit. Perfect. All right, do you have any additional advice now after seeing these photos?
Well, seeing what I see now, they only have 2 courses of action at this point, and they're not going to like either one of them. But what I would do in this scenario is I would remove the rest of that fiberglass, and then I would break out all of this substrate stuff, whatever this is. It almost looks like a stone wall or a block wall or something. That would all have to come out so that there's room on the front to put the new step in and have it not be impinged by all of this stuff. That's probably the smartest thing to do. However, secondary option would be break all of it out, all the way down to footing level, and then shoot a concrete step and do it like we do a hybrid pool, where instead of attaching the track to fiberglass that goes around the step, you do it to the concrete and you create a separate concrete step. Either one of them is a massive amount of work. You're looking at what I see now, you're a 50th of the way into this completion. I mean, you're barely there. Breaking out the fiberglass is going to be the easiest part of your day. After that, it's some jackhammers. If you can get a machine in there to break it out, that's great. If not, it's going to be by hand, and you're going to have to literally jackhammer enough of that stuff out so that you can set a new one in place and it's not impinged or impeded by any of this concrete, and then figure out how to bolt it in and secure it up. Or like I said, break every single bit of it out of there and shoot a concrete step and then hybrid it together. So good luck on this one.